What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I have a fun and easy nail art look for you that's honestly perfect for any time of year, but I thought it would be fun to break it out for the summer. I saw this kind of quilted look on, I think it was NailDecor, and it was years ago, and this has been on my list of manicures to try out for so long, and I finally did it, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. I used a couple of new shades from Nana Coco, which I totally loved, and yeah, so anyway, this look, super easy. Once you see how I break it down, you're gonna totally love it. So let's just get started. So for this manicure, I am going to be using base coat as usual, as well as a light and dark pink. This is Hearts of Love, and this lighter pink is called Bubblegum, and they're both from Nana Coco, their new collection. I'm also going to be using top coat, as well as a couple of tools from Nail Stuff. It is an international retailer, and they do really cute little customizable engraved nail art tools. So I've got this tiny little brush, as well as a dotting tool, and that's all I need. So I'm going to start off with my clean natural nail and apply my base coat, and then once that's dry, I'm going to go in with my base color. So you saw in the little preview that I am doing alternating nails of different colors. It honestly doesn't matter which color you use as your base or if you want your whole manicure to be all the same color, but I just thought it was a fun little way to switch it up. So then I'm just going to take that other color onto a mat, and I'm going to dip my dotting tool into that, and then I'm going to do little polka dots on my nails, starting in the center base of my nail, just so I have a nice sense of where all my dots are gonna go. They don't have to be perfect. This is one of those designs that looks really cool from far away, and it definitely doesn't have to be perfect up close. Basically, I want to have my dots far enough away from each other so that I can have those little lines in between and create that pillowy, quilted sort of effect. So now I'm just going to take that teeny tiny little nail art brush. This one is so precise and awesome. I'm super excited I have it. I've never had such a thin nail art brush, so I will link this one in the description so you guys can definitely check that out. But yeah, so I'm going to use that brush to connect my little dots, and what I'm doing is I don't want to connect every single one. I am doing this sort of diamond shape, so every dot is going to have basically 4 lines coming out of it in a diagonal, so you're making kind of an X around the dot, and that's how we're creating our little pillowy quilted pattern. So not too easy to explain, as most of my nail art is not easy to explain, but again, as I usually say, you've got a visual here, so you can totally check that out. And then once you are done with connecting all of those dots, you can go ahead and add little dots going out and beyond your nail, so that you can kind of create that feeling that the design is continuing beyond your nail. That's what I mean. So as usual, I want to give that a little bit of time to dry before I apply my top coat, but this design definitely felt like a glossy top coat kind of design. I'm super happy with that decision, even though you guys know I usually love matte. I just think this looked so cute. It's such a fun summer design. I feel like you could honestly do this with any color, and if you use like really nice light pale colors, you could totally pull this off in the winter too, or really any time of year. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, because we do lots of fun nail art, and I've got more coming soon. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!